Over 4,000 children have been killed by the colonial Israeli regime in 1 month. 8 times more children have been killed in Gaza in 1 month than all of the Ukraine war. 8 times more. And EU leaders are still talking about Israel's right to defend itself. Defend itself. Is bombing hospitals and churches defending itself? Is bombing refugee camps defending itself? Is slaughtering 4,000 children defending itself? I mean, where have we gone? There's over 10,000 civilians been killed in Gaza with EU and US weapons. European white supremacy knows no bounds. A genocide is being carried out by a far-right apartheid Israeli regime, and they're doing so with our unconditional support. It is the EU leaders, not only can you not call for a ceasefire, you can't mention the words condemn and Israel in the same sentence. How in God's name is the EU ever going to talk about human rights anywhere again?
For you to be here today.
Well, I'm Jewish, I'm Israeli. My parents were the only survivors of their families from the Holocaust. They both survived Auschwitz. I'm not going to support genocide, am I? I'm here with the Palestinians, and we are here with Palestine because we don't believe that what the British government is doing is correct. The British government is supporting this genocide. It's arming Israel, it's financing Israel. BBC and the other media here is supporting genocide. This is illegal, this is immoral. We don't agree with it, we will never agree with it. And as Jews, and myself as Israeli, I am totally against it, and we will continue to be against it. There are now more than 60 such events in the whole of Britain. People don't want to support this. They are against this government on so many other issues, but especially on this one.
And also, this didn't start on October the 7th. In 1948, Palestinian villages, hundreds of them, were demolished. Thousands of innocent Palestinian men, women and children were slaughtered, and 750,000 Palestinian refugees were created. That's when it started, and it hasn't stopped since.